The Secret of the Moonlight and the Small Forest. On a quiet night, while the stars were shining in the sky, there was a faint moonlight shining in the forest on the outskirts of a small village. This forest was filled with the sound of lively birds during the day and used to be a place for children to play, but at night it changes completely. Ricky, a small squirrel, lived in the depths of the forest. Ricky loved to collect nuts and play with his friends during the day, but when night came, he was a little scared and always hid in his nest. He is worried about the sound and shadows of the night and can't sleep easily. However, this night was different from usual, and the moonlight was particularly soft, gently illuminating the forest. Ricky suddenly looked out the window and found beautiful flowers illuminated by the moonlight and quietly swaying trees. It's such a wonderful night, but it might be a waste to sleep all the time, Ricky thought, and decided to get out of the woods with a little courage. Ricky walked down the forest path, guided by the moonlight. Then, a small pond emitting a mysterious light appeared in front of me. The surface of the pond is a shining light as if the stars were reflected. What is this? And Ricky approached the pond. At that moment, the fairies living around the pond soared up and said, "We are the guardians of the night. Together with the moonlight, we are protecting the secrets of the forest." The fairies tell Ricky the beautiful secrets of the night forest and invite her to sing and dance together. Ricky was surprised at first, but his heart gradually became full of excitement. While having a good time with the fairies, Ricky realized that the night is not only scary, but there are so many fun things. As the fun time passed, Ricky was warmed by the beauty of the forest and the presence of his friends. You don't have to be afraid of the night anymore. Night is the beginning of a new adventure. And he made up his mind. Since then, Ricky has been enjoying the night forest, making every night special with the fairies. And every night, he fell asleep soon and happily, wrapped in the moonlight. The secret of this small forest and the change in Ricky's heart have been engraved in him all the time. A wonderful adventure may await you even if you feel afraid of the night. Good night. A new adventure begins again.